Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to write about this one and this one. Y equals to 2 multiplied by 1 minus s squared. The graph should be like this. Next, y equals to negative number 1. The graph should be like this. Now, the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one in here. So, we need to find the intersection in here and here. So, we know that if we want to find the intersection, we have y and y in here. So we connect this one and this one. So number 2 multiplied by 1 and s squared in here. So we have 2 minus 2s squared. Next, I will put number 2 gone here. So we have negative number 1, negative number 2. So this one we have negative number 3. And later that we divide both sides by negative number 2. So we have 3 over 2. Next, we put the square root for the both sides. And we have s equals to the square root of 3 over 2. And s equals to negative with the square root of 3 over 2. And now, this one that is about negative the square root of 3 over 2. And this one we have the square root of 3 over 2. Now we can set up about the integration. So we know that this one that is about the upper, and the line in here this is about the lower. So we put about upper minus lower. So the upper that is about this one. And the lower, and that is about negative number 1. Now we need to simplify. So we have 2 multiplied by 1 minus negative number 1. We have positive number 1. So we have number 3. This one we have negative 2s squared dx. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 3, we have 3s. This one we have s to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put the bounds from negative the square root of number 3 over 2 to the square root of number 3 over 2. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate about this one. This is approximate about. That is about 2 with the square root of number 6. This is equal, and this is approximate about 4.899. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.